Someone at the door. Hello, Charlie Bub. Good boy. Good Teddy. That a boy. Good morning, guys. Hope you're all well. I'm actually up and out in the daytime. So I missed the sunrise this morning, and it feels strange being out in the daylight. I'm gonna set the trail cam again, because since the last time, well, I say the last time I uploaded, that was really successful. I was really pleased with the results. I've set the cam a further 2 times, and both times it hasn't recorded anything. And I was racking my brains why it hadn't captured something. And it turns out, or well, what I think it is the SD card I put in just isn't quick enough to record the full HD, because I'd actually adjusted the settings on the camera so it was recorded in full HD 4K, but the SD card I put in the camera just wasn't quick enough for the camera to write the information to the card. So there's a lesson there. I've put a better card in the camera now, but I've also knocked the resolution down to like the second setting, which is still good. It's just not the full 4K. I thought it'd be nice to do a bit of 4K. So I've knocked the resolution down, and I've put a really good quality super quick card in there. It's actually the one out of my drone. But we'll see what it does, because I was really quite disappointed. But you live and learn, don't you? It's a learning process like anything. Anyway, I'm going to go and reset the camera. I'll show you that process, and fingers crossed we'll get some good results. Right guys, we're all set. Let's keep the fingers crossed. See if we have a bit more success again, come back to the best spot. So I'll show you the results, if we get any. It's camera collection time. I'm a little bit more relaxed about it now. This will probably be the time that it's gone. There's something on it, guys, but I don't know what. So let's get it home. Right, so this is what we captured, guys. At 5:45, a fox makes his first appearance. He sniffs around a little bit and eats some of the food I put down, and he actually hangs around for a good 25 minutes before he actually gets quite interested in the badger's set, peering right inside. Past 6 and something distracts him. You can see him here looking into the distance, but staying absolutely still. "7:30 now and he's back, and about 5 minutes later a badger makes his first appearance. We don't see anything else until 9:10 and it's another fox. Don't know if it's the same one, but looking at the markings, the areas of light and dark on his body, I think it is. Quickly marks his territory. "20 minutes passed and it's the badger again. He doesn't go inside the burrow, just takes a look inside and continues on his way. We don't see anything else till 2:30 in the morning, and it's the first appearance of a muntjac, and I had absolutely no idea they were this active so late at night. And again another hour later and it's a badger again. Did you see him? Wow, look at this beautiful woodland. Oh, there's some dog walkers up here. They'll probably scare them off. Look at this chap. It's okay. Hello, Pooch. Just going to put the camera down for a while, chaps. Oh yeah, you're right. Yeah. I'm pretty sure, guys, that dog would have scared off any deer that were in the immediate vicinity, especially with his bark. So I'm going to give up for today. Get all my batteries charged up, fresh SD card. What I'm going to do, I'm going to come up here in the daytime. I might bring some camouflage with me, bring the stills camera, see if I can get some live wild animal shots. I think that'd be fun. Well, it'd be fun for me. I don't know if it'd be fun for you guys. You might enjoy watching it. In the meantime, I want to say thanks. I've hit 50 subscribers, which for a lot of people would be less than a day's worth. but for me, I really appreciate every 50 of you, so I'm giving you a thumbs up. See that, guys? Giving you the thumbs up. I've not given up urbex, not by any stretch. It's still my number one pastime, but just over the holiday season I needed something closer to home, and this is what it's going to be. I might even start a second channel with it, see if it does any better than my first one, which wouldn't be difficult. Maybe attract a slightly different kind of audience. Maybe I won't, who knows. It's just another pastime, another thing to get me out of the house, but still love the urbex. That's still my number one passion. I just like getting out of the house, exploring places, being outside, being in the fresh air. That's what it's all about for me. Obviously I do watch a lot of YouTube. I don't watch really hardly any television at all anymore. It just doesn't appeal to me. I'd rather have a real experience, and if I inspire just one person to get out and do a bit of exploration, or do a bit of hiking, or do a bit of photography, then that would have been worth it, because it's so good for you. It's so good for your soul, good for you physically, good for you mentally. It's just no good being inside all the time, and through all this lockdown bullshit, any excuse to get out and do something. And if you don't want to travel too far from home, find something locally to do. There's plenty of stuff out there if you, you know, use a bit of imagination. Well, that's the end of my speech. And I hope at least one person gets outside and does something, whether it's a walk, a hike, a bit of photography, a bit of exploration, whatever it is. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope I inspired you to do it. And that would mean a lot. That would mean a lot. Come on, bub. Ring Teddy. There you go. Good boy. What's that? Hey? Come on.